Hi guys, welcome to my channel Lush Gardener. I hope you guys are fine and are safe at home. So guys, today's video is on a DIY planter video. We are going to be making a planter out of thermocol. Now guys, the only disadvantage of this planter is that once you make the setup, if in case you want to move the pot, then you'll have to remove the entire setup. You'll have to remove the entire arrangement of succulents plus the soil, and then you can move. So if you're making this planter, ensure that wherever you're placing it, it's going to be your permanent place of planter. So guys, here I have 3 long pieces of thermocol and 2 small square pieces of thermocol. Now guys, I can't give you the exact measurements of this because I'm specifically making it for my balcony. However, you can make it of any shape, any design, or of any size, but what matters is how you're going to assemble it and how you're going to fix it. That's more important, and which you're going to see in this video. So the whole idea of this is to make something like a box. We're going to use these thermocol planks. We're going to fix them together so that we can get a box like structure out of this thermocol planks. Now we would also need some toothpicks in order to secure and fix those planks at the edges. So guys, now you're going to attach the toothpicks on the edges of the plank like this. And we're going to use the small square piece that we had cut of the thermocol. We're going to attach it in this way. So guys, in this way we have attached the small square piece of thermocol. We are going to do it on the other side of the plank as well. So guys, with the help of the toothpicks, we have secured the small square piece of thermocol on this large plank. So guys, now we're going to use a regular grey cement and make a thick paste out of it like this. So guys, now it's time to add the cement paste on the thermocol edges. Make sure that the paste is not too thin or too thick. Now with the help of the spoon, just start applying the cement paste evenly on all the edges of the thermocol. So guys, now we have applied the cement paste on one side of the edge. So the next thing what we are going to do is we are going to fix this thermocol plank onto the edge that has been applied with cement paste. Now the thermocol plank has been attached to the edges that was covered with cement paste, like you can see over here. Now we'll have to do one more step, that is we are going to use these toothpicks and we are going to go ahead and secure the edges furthermore. This will just give it an extra support to the edges. And we're going to push this toothpick right through the edge. So with the help of few other toothpicks, we are going to secure all the edges. Now the same thing, you'll have to do it on the opposite side of the thermocol plank as well. So guys, after securing all the edges with toothpicks and cement paste, this is how the box would end up looking like. So guys, if you're thinking that you need a lot of toothpicks in order to secure this large area of thermocol, then please don't worry. You don't need that many toothpicks. Here I have used only 4 toothpicks in order to secure this large part. I have used one over here, I have used the second one, and then I've used the third one and the fourth one at the end. So guys, apart from succulent arrangements, you can also keep phytonias, syngoniums and other smaller plants in this planter. You can also make small arrangements and I'm pretty sure that it's going to look beautiful. So guys, as I've told you that once this planter has been fixed, you cannot move it unless you tend to remove the entire arrangement. So in case if there is rain wherever you have placed it, the only option for you is to cover it with a sheet of plastic like the one that I'm using over here. This will protect the planter as well as your succulents from rain. Well, however, the rain is not going to harm the planter, but yes, the succulents might get harmed because of the rain. So it's good that you use a plastic over it. And if there is too much of sun, we always have a green net handy that can be used as well. So guys, in this way we can protect our succulents without moving the planter with the help of the green net as well as the plastic. So guys, I hope that this video was helpful to you. If it was, please consider subscribing to my channel. Until then guys, take care, stay safe, bye bye.